Hey, it's Brookie from Birdie, and in this video we're going to go through how to brand your workspace with your own logo and how to create additional workspaces as well. These features are really important if you're trying to look professional in your business, and also they're really helpful if you're trying to manage multiple clients and you want to create a space for each of those that look and feel like them. So to upload your own logo or to add additional workspaces, you need to have one of Birdie's paid plans. So I'm going to go Settings, Customization, and then you can see this is all the elements you need to update to add your own branding. So let's imagine that I work for a drone services company called Aerial Projects. If I wanted to, I can turn off having the logo and I can just have it the name, but I like using my logo, so I'm going to upload my logo. I'm going to turn it on and you can see now that it's been updated. I'm also going to add it to my email header so that any emails that come from Birdie, so things like inviting new users to the workspace, they're actually going to come with this custom branding on it. Turn that on as well. Now let's say that, so I'm a drone services business and I do drone capture for a company called Coastal Construction. I would like to create a workspace unique to them that has their branding, so when I fly missions for them and then send them links to that mission, it'll feel like it's their own workspace. So to create that new workspace, I'm going to click next to my logo and then hit New Workspace. We'll name it. And then we can brand this one as well. So we're going to add the Coastal Construction logo and we can brand emails with that as well. So this is going to give a really nice additional professional look to your business. So when you invite people from Coastal Construction for them to look at your missions, they can come here and see that it's all branded with their own look and feel, so they're going to feel like it's their space. So that's all there is to it, to adding your logo to your workspace and to adding additional workspaces as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@birdie.io or send us an in-platform message and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.